Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you how we can create different type of the flowers by following few lines. First we are going to make this tulip. This is the simplest and the easiest of the all. Let's move further towards our another activity. You just have to make some of the lines as shown here on your screens, and after that you just have to join them one after the another. It's going to represent a coconut tree. It's also the simplest of all. You may require some of the patience because you just have to make the curves good and easier and perfect also. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further with another activity. First, you just have to make a circle. At the center, you just have to make a cross. After that, you just have to build the petals over the lines that you have created earlier. And then you just have to make more lines and the stalk is to be made. Don't forget to trace down the leaf and fill it with some colors. It's going to represent a sunflower. Here we are going to show you how we can make the different types of the trees using by doodling. Simply you just have to take the marker, you just have to make some of the lines and you can see in few seconds you are able to done this. First you just have to make the tree trunks and then rest of the features are here done. Just pause the video and try to make this one. Here we are directly making use of the marker, no pencil is used for this type of the painting. We will now move further with another activity. First, we are going to make a cross at the center, then more lines are built, and after that, you can see we are joining the each line one after the another. Then, with the help of the marker, we are going to fill it with some multiple colors. This is going to represent a hand windmill. It looks so cute. Let's move further towards another activity. For this one, first you just have to trace on the arm with the hand, and after that you just have to show that your hand is holding a flower. It's the simplest again, and it's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Let's move further towards our another activity. We are going to show you how we can make a leaf by following few steps. First, make some of the lines, and over these lines you just have to build the body of this leaf. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make a lotus flower. For this you just have to make the two U's and after that you just have to build the whole lines that are somewhat similar to the A by just making and joining them together. You just have to make the big leaves and the stalk portion in the background. This is again very simple. Fill it with pink and green color. Let's move further towards our another activity. First, you just have to make this egg type shape and after that you just have to build the lines over it. In the background, you just have to add some of the leaves also. Let's move towards another activity. First, make the circle. After that, make some of the tiny lines over the outline and after that you just have to build all the petals over the lines that you have created. Add stalk and the leaves in the background also and fill it with some colors. We will now move further with another activity. For this one, you just have to make somewhat a shape that's similar to the heart, and after that, you just have to build all the rows from the lower portion. And don't forget to make the sepals and the stalk area and the leaves also. Fill it with some colors. Here we are making the red rose, that's why we are filling it with the red. You can even fill it with the white or any other color that you just want to make. This one you just have to make a circle and after that you just have to build the rest of the petals over this circle and then the stalk and the leafy portion is also made. Now you just have to fill it with some colors. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.